Hello learners, welcome back. So today we will be covering the topic Simon Commission 1927. So what was the Simon Commission? Simon Commission India क्यों आया and why the Indians opposed this Simon Commission? So Simon Commission was basically a committee appointed by the British government to investigate or to review the constitutional reforms जो इंडिया में हुए थे under the Government Act of 1919. Simon Commission was headed by Sir John Simon and this committee consisted of all British members. इसमें एक सिंगल इंडिविजुअल भी इंडियन नहीं था और यही मेन रीज़न था इंडियंस का टू प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. इंडियंस को ये फील हुआ कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स हैं वो उनको उस लायक ही नहीं समझते हैं कि वो उन्हें अपनी कमेटी में हिस्सा दे पाएँ. Simon Commission was opposed in India when it came to India in 1928. People started protesting against Simon Commission by calling out the slogan Simon Go Back. In Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was also protesting against the Simon Commission. Due to lathi charge, he died on spot. The outcome of this Simon Commission was that this Simon Commission has presented its report in 1930 into two volumes. Most of its recommendations were neglected by the Indians. इसमें दो मेन चीज़ें जो आई थी इनके रिकमेंडेशन में. फर्स्ट वॉज एबॉलिशन ऑफ डायarchy and second was establishment of provincial autonomy. So what was this diarchy? Diarchy was basically division of power between the British government and the Indians. जो रिजर्व सब्जेक्ट्स थे लाइक लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस, मिलिट्री, ये सारी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में आते थे. वेयर एज एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स इंडियंस के अंदर में आते थे. तो ऑब्वियसली देयर वाज अ डिविजन ऑफ पावर बिटवीन द इंडियंस एंड द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. Whereas provincial autonomy means the provinces will be independent. सारा कंट्रोल उनके खुद के हाथ में होगा. There will be no division of power in the provinces.